The upstairs unit went vacant and there was a big slope, and the contractor put like, we'll renovate this, but this scope will not fix the slope in the floor. And I was like, what is the slope in the floor? Let's go see. We went up there and it's like inches sloped down, like really something felt wrong. So we had them rip open the wall upstairs and we started to see like there was like water coming in, you can see that. And so we had to get the tenant out down here. So we moved this tenant to another unit, got in here and ripped this up and just found all this structural work that has to be done. Basically, this beam, this whole center piece of the column of the building is not being supported properly.
Right.
There was a leak that came down, and so the water's been eating away at this for years.
Right.
Rotting away.
Right.
Now, you see that piece of wood down there, that board?
Yeah.
That is a newer looking board than the rest of these beams. We did not put that in there. So somebody did something in here, but didn't actually do the right fix.
Right.
They came in with this temporary fix, and there's actually, you can see there's like a temporary beam underneath, right underneath this piece. There's a temporary beam. That is not what should be used to support a building of this,
this
magnitude.
Right.
That's like a thing you'd put in your basement or something, right? From Home Depot. So you can see just it's all been rotting away. So we have, we also found when we ripped it open, we found like a few like plumbing drips and everything. So we are, we're coming in, structural engineer coming in, they're doing the full fix up, doing it the right way. They got to come in. Same idea with the piers. They're going to put the piers in and build it up and make this area structurally sound. We've got to replace these entire beams here going both ways. They're going to do all that. And this has to get jacked back up so we get level again.
Right.
And then we can come back in and redo the units.
Gotcha.
So
the whole building got to get jacked up.
The whole building's got to get jacked up.
Exactly.
So for now, we're just waiting to get them to schedule. They should be in the next few weeks.
Right. Listen, at least you have a plan.
Oh, we got a plan.
We got a plan.
Nothing a fresh coat of paint will fix.
Yeah, it's a little coat of paint right there.